The automation I'm about to show you makes roofers an extra $75,000 every single month. I'm going to give it to you for free, show you exactly how it works and how you can actually sell this to roofing companies near you for at least $2,000 every single month. And I've personally been selling AI automation since before ChatGPT came out, so I've worked with every business imaginable, and this one system that I'm showing you is something that every local business needs. And I'm literally going to show you how to copy and paste this for yourself and start your own automation business if you don't have one yet. Let's jump into it. So it's very simple. You copy the workflow, you basically copy the exact system I'm about to give you. Then you find a business that needs it using the method that I show you on how to identify these businesses. You paste it into their system, so whatever software they're using right now, or maybe you want to give them a new software, I show you how you can paste it in. And then number 4 is you get paid every single month to keep running it because they can't afford to stop paying for this automation. So that is the entire business model here, and I've been doing this for like the last 5 years, and you can literally create these systems for businesses and they cannot afford to cancel them. Now, if you're new to this, you might be wondering, okay, what is an automation? What am I referring to? So an automation is basically just taking a manual task, something that a human being has to do, using AI technology software to automate that process so the business owner no longer has to do it. There's no more errors, there's no more delays, no more issues. Technology just makes it run automated on autopilot. Now, a very simple example of an automation, but a very effective one, is that if a business like a roofer, for example, if he's running ads, right, and people are filling out the ad form, they're going on their website, they're submitting that form, while the roofer is busy working on roofs, they're missing all of these leads. They're not being alerted. They're not being told that new leads are coming in. And I'm going to tell you just in a second what the issue with that is. But what we can do is we can automate that process for them. So a second a new lead comes in, they submit the ad form, our automation is going to automatically send an SMS to the roofer plus the client, automatically book them in for an appointment, confirm that appointment, all while the roofer does not even know that this is happening. He's focused on doing his job while our automation is running his business for him. So the reason this matters to roofers, missed leads equals missed revenue. And that makes sense, right? If someone submitted the form on the roofer's website, they're looking to get a quote, they're looking to get an instant response. If they do not hear back from that roofer within the next couple of hours, or at least the next day, they're going to go to somebody else. They're going to keep going down the list on Google or ChatGPT until somebody responds. Our automated system helps them be the first person to respond because that is who people are actually going to work with. But the crazy part is they don't even realize how much money they're missing because a single roofing job can pull in anywhere between $10,000 to $20,000 in revenue for the roofer. So every time they miss a new lead coming in, that's potentially $15,000 that they've left on the table, not even realize that they missed. So if we take that information and we say, okay, one job is worth $15K, and if our system that we implement, which I'm about to show you, can save them 5 jobs a month, then that's an extra $75,000 in their pocket of additional revenue that we've got them that they wouldn't have without our system. And because you're generating them $75,000 a month, you can easily charge $1,500 to $2,000 a month in exchange for that system running. It's very simple. That is the return on investment of working with you. You can easily charge these 4-figure retainers. But the best part is that when these automations are running and working, they are locked in, meaning that the roofer now knows if I ever stop paying Hamza for this system, then I'm going to lose out on $75,000 every single month. So they cannot afford to cancel, they cannot afford to stop paying because the system stops. You can basically turn it off if they do not pay. So that's why you get locked in. And there's very minimal churn. So once you get your customer base built up, then you're not going to be losing that revenue, granted that you set it up correctly based on what I'm about to show you. Now you might be wondering, okay, cool, that makes sense, but I'm not technical. How do I actually build the automation itself? And the truth is that you do not need to build the automation. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I've already built it. The entire premise of what I'm showing you is copy-paste automations. You just need to copy the system I'm going to show you, the template, and how we're going to solve this problem for roofers or any type of business. So today we're going to cover how to get these automations, what the automation does, how you can start an automation business yourself, and how to sell this to businesses and find out who actually needs this. All of the automations that I build use one specific software called GoHighLevel. If you already have it, that's fantastic. If you're not familiar with it, I'll explain how to get access to the software and the templates near the end of the video so you can follow along and build everything that we're doing. I've been using that software since 2022 and sold these copy-paste automations to over 1,000 businesses. And from GoHighLevel themselves, I've won a bunch of awards, which you can see right here, for having over 1,000 different customers across the last couple of years. This is what their automation builder looks like. So I've built all of my automations inside of their automation builder, and I'll teach you how to get familiar with that as well, and how to just copy and paste what I've already built for yourself. To get these templates, you'll find them inside of my free school community, which is school.com/automate. It'll be the first link in the description. What I recommend is if you pause the video right now, go apply to the school. By the time we're done with the video, you should be approved, and then you should be able to access the templates and the software inside of there. Once approved, you can watch the introduction videos on how to get set up, and it'll explain everything about how this business actually works. But now let me actually show you the automation. So now we're inside of the GoHighLevel software. Specifically, this is my white label version of the software. I've tweaked it to be more friendly for AI automation, but that'll be explained to you later and inside the school. But you can see here that inside of the left-hand side, we've got our automation builder here, and this is what we really care about. So when I click on automations, I have my folder here for roofing. And now these are the pre-built automations that my team has already made that we are already selling to roofers, which you're going to get access to. So you can see here, just like I mentioned, new lead intro. Like this is one of the first systems that we have. If I click on this, it does exactly what I was describing inside of the presentation. Meaning that whenever we get a new lead, whether they fill out a Facebook ad or come on the website, we automatically notify the roofer saying, boom, you've got a new lead. This is their contact information. So this is immediately already a value add, because while they're working on a roof or while they're out on the job, they're getting notified, texted, emailed that they're getting new leads coming in. But the roofer does not have to talk to that lead, because we have our automatic systems going out saying, hey, this is, user first name. This could be like, this is John from Dynamite Roofing. Did you just fill out a form to get more information on the thing we're offering? So I just left that as a template, but you could say on our free roof inspection. So you can just tailor that to whatever your client's offer is. Click save, scroll down, we'll wait 10 minutes, and then we'll send another SMS saying, hey, I just wanted to touch base again really quick before I stepped out. Would you like me to fill you in a little bit more about our free inspection? So you can see that within a couple minutes of that lead filling out that form, they're getting SMSs from what they think is an employee of the roofing company, but it's really just our automation. Now, we also send emails and SMSs, emails like, hey, do you have any questions about our service? And these are all pre-written for you. So you literally just have to plug and play them to your client. Now, what can happen is that the lead can submit the form, but they might not respond via SMS or email. So then what we can do is we can actually tag them as unresponsive after a couple of days of no response, and we can put them into a nurture sequence. That basically just means we don't want them to forget about us. So we're going to continually keep sending them emails and SMSs to remind them that they were once upon a time interested in our services. If I switch to that workflow over here, you can see that I have a bunch of pre-made workflows for you. So for example, appointment no-show. So maybe they booked an appointment, but they didn't show up. I've got a full system created over here for you to say, hey, we just missed you, or you weren't available. When's a better time to reschedule? We send that via SMS and email, and this keeps going. So every couple of days it's going to keep going. Hey, what happened? Where are you? We had a scheduled meeting. What's going on? And then it's going to keep handling all of that communication, so the roofer does not have to think about anything except doing their roofing job, while this automation handles everything that we want it to. And you have all of these available to you on the left-hand side. You might be curious about the nurture sequence, so I'll open that one up. So this nurture sequence just goes on for days and weeks, basically reminding them that, hey, you were interested in our service. Maybe it wasn't a good time back then, but I would love for you to get our free inspection, or we're still doing that offer, or we have a holiday promotion or a bundle, whatever that looks like. So every situation that you can think of that this roofer has to deal with, appointment show up, appointment didn't show up, lead went cold, lead didn't respond, lead did respond. All of those have been covered inside of this system right here, which you then just need to connect to the roofer's setup, and my pre-built copy-paste automations will do all of the work for you. You might have to spend 5, 10, 15 minutes just editing the text itself to make it specific to your roofer, but for the amount of work and what you can charge, this is going to make a massive difference for their business. And of course, in the school, we go deeper into teaching you the ins and outs of this software so you understand how to master it wholly. But in this video, I'm just showing you the template. So make sure you do join the school if you are interested in trying out this business. Now, you might be wondering, how do you sell these to businesses, right? So you understand the automations, you got the template, you got the software. Now, how do you actually get this in front of the right people? Now, the first thing you want to do is choose any random niche or business. Now, of course, for this example, we're doing roofing because that automation was built specifically for roofing, but you can tailor it to any industry that you want. And then what you want to do is to find a business that needs help. you need to expose the problem that they have and the specific problem that this solution solves. And it's very easy to do that. Let's actually expose some problems together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and basically go to roofers near me, right? And what I'm looking for is I want to go through these different roofers and basically find out who has a speed to lead problem, who does not have the proper system set up to respond to me as a business owner. And it's very simple. I would come over here, put in my information there, and then I'll say roofing test, put, a random address there. I'll say this is a test just because I don't want to bother and waste their time, but I'm going to submit that form, right? And what I want to see is that, do I get an SMS? Do I get an email? Is somebody reaching out to me, or is nothing happening when this form is submitted? So you can see immediately they're saying we'll get back to you within 24 hours. This is already pretty slow because other businesses that are automated, they might get back to me in a couple minutes. So that's already a gap that might need to be solved. But I quickly opened up my email and I got no email of anything regarding roofing right now. My last email was, earlier this morning. So these guys did not have an automatic SMS. They did not have any automatic email. This is already a weakness and a weak spot that I know that my system can solve. And this was the first one that we found. I would likely go down this list and expose all of the problems that these businesses have, go back to them, and my pitch would be, look, I went on your site a couple days ago or last week. I filled out the forms and your information. I went through your funnel and nobody reached out to me. You have a massive speed to lead problem. I feel like you're leaving money on the table. Can you tell me how many people are filling out those forms every single day? What is your average speed to response? How quickly are you getting back to them? And they're going to be like a couple hours, a couple days, 48 hours. And then you can give them the statistics that you have a 300% higher chance of converting a lead if you follow up within the first 5 minutes. If you don't, then that's a massive red flag and you're leaving money on the table. I have a system that's going to help you capture all that missed revenue. And all you have to do is give them a demo and show them how a system like this works. Plug it in for them. They see the results immediately, and then you can close them for, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 a month, depending on how many deals you can actually get back for them, right? So that was one example, but that's what I'd recommend as an exercise for you. And I live in Toronto, which is a pretty advanced city, right? So if you live in a smaller town or a smaller city, then likely your local businesses do not have anything like this right now. And solving that for one of them just forces the others to have to compete as well, so you can win that entire market. Now, like I mentioned, if you do want to take this a step further and have a greater understanding of this business model, how to sell it, how to build demos, how to do more automations, you can join my automation incubator, which is the first link in the description. Go to the classroom, watch the introduction videos, go through the sales videos and the building your automation stuff. Everything that we covered in here is just 10% of everything you're going to learn. Then you can really take these automations and dominate your local market. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below, or you can come over here, hover over my name. You can send me a message anytime. I'm more than happy to help. But I hope that this was insightful and you get into the automation game. I'll see you in the next one.